Steve Pereira to give another speech in English. Please give him a big hand.
Na puppagando pativatameti na chandanam tagar malikava satansha gando pativatameti sabbadisa sappuiso bhavati. Most venerable members of the Mahasangha, dear parents, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, I am more than happy to present you a very special story from the life of the Buddha. This will be my best respect to the Buddha on the occasion of celebrating his three significant life events: his birth, enlightenment, and passing away. Now, let me draw your attention to my story. It is about observing and keeping 5 promises or precepts. They are unbelievably powerful. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Marga. Marga observed all 5 precepts. One day, Marga had a meeting to which 30 young boys came from the 30 families in the village. They discussed various matters. Marga wanted the entire village to be clean and to make it a good place to live. Marga was a very public-spirited person who wanted to spend his whole lifetime on the welfare and communication with all friends. Whenever Marga would clean a specific place, somebody would claim it. Like this, all the other places Marga cleaned, someone claimed it. Then, finally, Marga cleaned a place for himself. He set up a pond, some flower pots, and park benches. It was very beautiful. Marga explained to the people that we should follow the 5 precepts. Marga also explained the importance of helping others and elders. Also, to speak good words, not harsh speech. So, Marga was loved by everyone. Because Marga and his friends all followed the 5 precepts, no one in the village ate any meat, they never sold alcohol or drank alcohol. Because of this, the village chieftain did not get his share of meat or alcohol. Therefore, the chieftain decided to complain to the king. The chieftain told the king that there were a gang of robbers. The king immediately ordered the robbers to be killed by the elephants. Together, Marga and the all other boys decided to shower metta or loving kindness on the elephants. The elephants all came close to Marga and his friends, but then they ran away. So did the other elephants. The king was very surprised by this. He asked Marga and his friends if they had any special type of medicine or mantra that let elephants run away. But Marga replied, "O king, we observe Pansil. We live up to it. We promise to give up killing, to give up stealing, to give up misconduct, to give up lying, and to give up intoxicant or drugs harmful to us. Marga had developed the whole village by following all these 5 precepts. The king then further entrusted them to further develop the village. The fragrance of Sila or virtue is more powerful than the fragrance of flowers, preached the Buddha. This story was taken from the Kulavaka Jataka. It explains how powerful and protective 5 precepts are. The beginning Gatha explains that precept surpasses all other fragrances of flowers or scents. We love expensive perfumes, but we forget the smell of any scent that can last only for a while. But the smell of good work can last far more. Keeping precepts gives mutual protection for you and others as well. Because when you don't harm or hurt others, they too will be reluctant to harm you. This is the secret to save and be saved. Let's keep 5 precepts with strong determination. Thank you for listening to my speech. Teruvan Saranai.
Thank you very much, Steve. You gave an excellent